Welcome with a new video in which we will going to do how to use section formula. First we will learn what is section formula and then we will apply its use. So section formula here we have. Let us take point P is on segment AB in XY plane. Here is the segment AB whose end points are A and B, and point P is lying on segment AB in such a way that point P dividing the segment AB in two parts, segment AP and segment PB, two different segments. Clear? The length, about their length we don't know, but when the point P is taken on segment AB, it is dividing segment AB in a two different segment AP and segment PB in the ratio of m is to n. That means AP upon PB equals to m upon n, which is equals to m is to n. Now let us take that point A has its coordinate as x1 and y1, B has its coordinates as x2, y2, and P has its coordinate as x and y. So the coordinates, if I have to find out the coordinates of point P is, what it will be? X equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. These two are the formula to find out the value of x coordinate and y coordinate of point P. This is known as section formula. Now we will use the same formula to solve one sum. Here find the coordinates of point P if P divides the line segment joining AB in the ratio of 2 is to 3. So we will going to draw our diagram for our convenience. So segment AB, I will take point P here. A has a coordinate -1, 7 and B has 4, -3. So they are divided in the ratio of 2 is to 3. Let us find out the values here. Let A be x1, y1, B be x2, y2, and P be x1, y1. So x1 equals to -1, y1 equals to 7, x2 equals to 4, y2 equals to -3, and m equals to 2 and n equals to 3. M is nothing but AP and n is nothing but PB. Therefore, we will take the section formula x equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus 1. We will substitute here. M value is 2. 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3. Further simplifying, 2 into 4 BODMAS rule 8 minus 3 upon 5, which is nothing but 5 upon 5. Again we can go for cancellation. 5 one time, 5 one time. The value of x is 1. So the x coordinate of point P is 1. Similarly, we have y coordinate. Substitution here, 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. Then we are simplifying, -6 plus 21 upon 5. Further simplify, y equals to 15 upon 5. Cancellation, 5 3 times, 5 1 time. So y equals to 3. So P point has x and y coordinate and their values are 1 and 3. So this is the way we apply and get the value of a point on the segment which divide the segment in the ratio of m is to n. I hope you have followed the video and concept understood, application of the concept you have understood. Thank you for watching the video and see you with the next video.